How to sign in your account in Adobe Audition. If you want to log into your account in Adobe Audition, then follow these instructions. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on search bar, type in Adobe Audition. After that, let's scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Here on the top right corner, you can see this sign in option. Click on sign in. If you don't have an account yet and want to create a new account, then click on this create an account option to sign up your account. Now to log into your account, you can simply type in your email address on this field, or if you have signed up using your Google ID or Facebook ID or Apple ID, click on this respective button here. And if you need any help signing in, then you can click on this link to get help. Now type in your email on this field. After that, click on this continue option. As I have previously logged in with my Google account, then it will show this continue with Google option. Click on this continue with Google. If you get the option to type in your password, then simply type in your password and click on next. After that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can log in your account in Adobe Audition. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.